So how did India pull off that huge T20 win against Pakistan? It was a captain's masterclass.
They won by 61 runs. Now, in a T20 match, that is a huge margin.
But was it just about the score? Nope. This was all about brilliant strategy.
So picture this, T20 World Cup, a classic rivalry on a tricky, spin-friendly pitch.
Now they lost the toss and had to bat first. But Captain Sky decided to go on the attack.
Ishan Kishan's explosive 77 really led that charge, setting a very tough target of 176. But the batting was just half the story. The real genius was in how they defended it.
Sky had this killer three-part bowling plan, and it just completely dismantled Pakistan's chase.
He kept rotating 6 different bowlers. The batsmen just never got a chance to settle in.
And his spinners were just incredible. 4 key wickets for only 46 runs. That's game-changing.
So what happened next? Well, a total and complete batting collapse for Pakistan.
It was a disaster from the start. Pakistan lost 3 wickets in just the first 10 balls.
Just imagine that. 6 runs on the board and already 3 wickets down? Unbelievable.
India's bowlers just systematically dismantled their entire top order, one after another.
Think about this. 3 guys out for a duck. 4 more didn't even hit double digits.
The pressure just kept building, and the whole team crumbled for only 114. So this wasn't just a win, right? Experts called it a tactical triumph. Just flawless execution.
It all came down to Sky's leadership, aggression, smart rotations, and adapting perfectly.
And he kept his cool, saying the game itself was way more important than all the hype.
So you have to wonder, is this the new blueprint for how to captain a T20 team?